The other thing that I suggested is, what I've realized is because I have a black blade and a black line, it's very difficult at times to distinguish the cut from the line. And so I started printing my patterns or drawing my patterns in a red or blue color, anything different than the black. It just is so much easier for me to see the lines and where my blade is. Just something that I've learned over the years, and I believe a tip I got from a scroll sawer back in the 90s. And it really has made a difference for me. Of course, I didn't draw these, so these are in black because they were somebody else's. I would have put them in red or blue,